Good morning. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. So today we are going to discuss about the introduction of satellite communication. Subject code CEC 352 satellite communication. On completion, students will be able to understand the basic concept of satellite, understand the various satellite service provider. The Unit 1 first satellite orbit deals with Kepler law, Newton law, orbital parameters, orbital perception, station keeping, geostationary and non-geostationary orbit, look angle determination, limits of visibility, eclipse, sub-satellite point, sun transit outage, launching procedure, launch vehicle and propulsion. Introduction. An orbit is a curved path like a circle of oval or ellipse. Satellite. An object in orbit is called satellite. In general, a satellite is anything that orbits something else. Communication satellite. A satellite is a specialized wireless transceiver transmitter that is launched by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the earth. Advantages. A satellite can link many users who are widely separated geographically since very large area are visible from the satellite. International Telecommunication Union. Three regions. The world is divided into three regions to reduce the difficulty in frequency planning. Region 1 Europe, Africa and Mongolia. Region 2 North and South America and Greenland. Region 3 Asia, Australia and Southwest Pacific. Service provider, various satellite service, fixed satellite service. So here we are using the link for telephone network transmitting television signal to cable companies. Broadcasting satellite service, DBS, direct broadcast satellite service, is direct broadcast to home. Mobile satellite service, land mobile, maritime mobile, aeronautical mobile service. Navigation satellite service, global positioning system, GPS. Meteorological satellite service, search and rescue service. Frequency band. The band designation UHF 0.32, 0.12, 0.3, UHF 0.321, L122, S224, C428, X8 to 12, KU12 to 18, K18 to 27, KA27 to 40, V40 to 75, U75 to 110, UNM 110 to 300, M 300 to 3000 gigahertz. Definition of terms of Earth orbiting satellite. Sub-satellite path. This is the path traced out on the Earth's surface directly below the satellite. Apogee, the point furthest from Earth. Perigee, the point closest to Earth. Line of episode, the line joining between perigee and apogee through the center of the earth. Ascending node, the point where the orbit crosses the equilateral plane going from the south to north. Descending node, the point where the orbit crosses the equilateral plane going from north to south. Line of node, the line joining the ascending and descending node through the center of the earth. Inclination, the angle between the orbital plane and the earth equilateral plane. Prograde orbit, an orbit in which satellite moves in the same direction as the earth rotation. The inclination of the prograde orbit lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Retrograde orbit, an orbit in which satellite moves in the direction opposite to earth rotation. The inclination of prograde orbit lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. Argument of perigee, it is denoted by the letter omega. The angle from ascending node to perigee. Right ascendation of the ascending node. This is the angle measured eastward in the equilateral plane from the line of arteries to the ascending node. The line of arteries is an imaginary line drawn from the equilateral crossing to the first point of arteries through the center of the sun point. Mean anomaly. Mean anomaly give an average value of the angular position of the satellite with reference to the perigee. True anomaly. True anomaly is the angle from perigee to the satellite position measured at the earth surface. So on studying this assessment questions dealing with the introduction. In TELSAT stands for International Telecommunication Satellite. The application of satellite system is, so there are different application. Here we are mainly deals with weather forecasting. So these are all the introduction about satellite communication. Thank you.